Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to talk about how to set up and how to start your project, which I recommend that you do before you actually start the first section, just so you can see the kind of fun that we're going to have with our survey results. So you should have the SETS project open, and then you're going to also have the file open that's our project Chapter 3 Project Survey Answers, and that shows everything, all the results of all the questions that people answered in our class. So you go to your project, and it says pick any 3 of the questions you like and find interesting. So I go back to the survey results, and I'm going to pick, do you have any pets? And then 2 other questions. So I take the question from here, and I'm just going to either type or handwrite, I don't care which you do, the question right into this box here. I'm also going to add, do you drink coffee? And I'll pick, do you like to wear black? So those are the 3 questions I picked, and now I'm going to put some student results in here from the survey. So you'll see Professor Q and Fake Student 1 have already been filled in. Professor Q is my first person here, and I made that person up. I also made up Fake Student 1, FS1. So those 2 people are already filled out. Professor Q said no to everything, and Fake Student 1 said yes to everything. Now let's go find some real people in the survey results. So let's say the first person, it doesn't matter who you pick, we're just going to try to get a variety of answers. So maybe I pick CP, who said no to pets, and no to drinking coffee, and yes to do you like to wear black. So CP said no, no, yes. And then I go back to my survey and copy that in. Once I put in CP said no, no, yes, I go for some other people in the survey. So I'm going to go back to the survey again, and I'm again looking for a variety. Well, let's see. KA said yes, so maybe I'll pick that person. That way I have a yes for that question. And they said no to coffee, and they said yes to liking black. So yes, no, yes. So you'll see that I've now filled in all the 13, actually less than 13, because the first 2 were filled in for me, students from the survey that I picked out. So now if I need to, I might have to use these 2 that are fake, but let's go see. So we're going to go to the picture that's on the next page and start filling people in. So the first person I fill in is Professor Q, who said no to all 3 questions. Now, before I do that, let me label my circles. So the first label is, do you have pets? Or let's just call that label has pets. Has pets. And that's the characteristic of people in that circle. They said yes to has pets. And now my second question was, do you drink coffee? So I'm going to call these people likes coffee. Or like coffee? Likes coffee? Something like that. And then the last one is likes to wear black. And remember, you can be typing this in, but you can also write it by hand. I don't care. Likes to wear black. And now what you do is you start putting the people in. So our first person was Professor Q, who said no to everything. So that means that Professor Q does not have pets, does not like coffee, and does not like to wear black. So I'm going to put them on the outside of all the circles. So there's Professor Q, outside of all 3 things. And Fake Student 1 liked everything. So I'm going to say that means Fake Student 1 has pets. They're in this circle. They like coffee. They're in this circle. And they like to wear black. So for some people, you might think, okay, I'll put them there, there, and there. But look at the caution. Each person must be in only one place in the circles. So that actually means that I'm going to put this person right here, FS1, Fake Student 1. I'm going to put them there because they like all three things. They're in the overlap of all the circles. And now CP. CP said no, no, yes. So that means CP does not have pets, does not like coffee, but likes to wear black. So I'm going to put CP here in this circle. And notice that I don't put them out here, right? Just put them in this likes to wear black circle. Now the next person, KA, let's see, they said yes to the first question and the second and the third question, but not the second question. So that means that KA is going to be in my A circle and my C circle, but not my B circle. So KA has pets and likes to wear black. That means I'm going to put them here. Notice again, each person only goes in one place. So KA has pets and KA likes to wear black, but they don't like coffee, so they're not going to go in the middle. They're going to go in the overlap between these two circles because they have pets and they like to wear black. So you'll find out more about that in the next recording about what this is called. This is the intersection between the two circles where they like both. Now you would have to fill in the rest of the people, but I leave that up to you. And I'm going to just real quick show you a couple of these questions. So you're going to write the definition of the universal set. You're going to circle one of these three. And then this is the one I wanted to do with you. Write a true statement about one of your sets. So one of my sets could be the set A, right? And they're going to use this funny little symbol. This symbol means is an element of. And you will see that in section 3.1. We'll go over that. So it says is an element of. Who's an element of set A? Well, KA is an element of set A. Or if I had somebody here, I'm not sure who's here, but maybe this person, XM or whoever is here, I could write that either one of them, either XM or KA, they're both in set A. So I'm going to just pick one of them. So I'm going to write KA is an element of set A. Or I can change my mind. Oh, no, I want them. So I can write XM is an element of set A, whatever you like. And then you're going to go on to finish this part after you've watched the 3.1 video. See you in the next video.